guys, how's it going? Welcome back to GGK Craft. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make the buttercream flower David Austin roses. I'm really happy to show you this flower because I love so much this flower because they have really beautiful patterns, and this is slightly different with traditional rose. I love so much this flower. So you can check that out on this channel too. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna start from adding some coloring to glossy buttercream. Baker's rose, golden yellow, brown, let me add some more brown to make tone down. We're gonna use GG Special Tip number 105, which is much thinner so that you make realistic patterns. Put your pink buttercream first, then add plain buttercream together. Mix it lovely. Make the base in a coin size. Start from the center and make the 6 portions. Overlap these wrinkles 3 or 4 more times. We're gonna open the petals. Maintain your pressure and start from bottoms and slightly move up and come back to the bottom again. That's it. Take this video a little more slowly again. Thank you for watching my video today. I really hope you enjoyed my video tutorial today. If you enjoyed my tutorial today, don't forget subscribe and like, and also you can click the notification bell next to the subscribing button. See you in the next video. Bye!